Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Chevy Uplander key fob here. It works for these models over here and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032 and a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Now the first thing you need to do is right here at the bottom, right here, you see, when you turn the fob, you see this small hole. Now you need to take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip only right in this hole here, and when you insert it, just twist it a little bit. This will crack open here, and the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces like this. Now when you separate the fob into two pieces like this, right on this side, you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, it's very easy, just take again your small flat screwdriver and from this side, insert and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just slide your new battery here from the bottom. And when you insert your new battery, make sure the side here that faces you is the positive side. So this step here is very important. Alright, now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly, everything have to match together perfectly, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together just like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.